there! In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to transfer and park calls using the ConnectUC Mobile App. If you don't have ConnectUC on your mobile phone yet, check out our video how to download and access the ConnectUC app to start receiving calls. Now let's learn how to transfer a call. Start by accepting an incoming call. Once you're on the call, ConnectUC will display the call handler with several options. Select the transfer option. After pressing transfer, you'll have the option to dial the extension or phone number you want to transfer the call to, or you can select the contact directly from your contact list. There are two ways to transfer a call. If you want to send the call immediately without speaking to the other person first, choose a cold transfer. Press transfer and the call will be sent right away. If you need to speak to the person before transferring the call, choose attended transfer. When you press attended transfer, a second call will be initiated. Don't worry, the original caller will remain on hold. Once the person answers, you can speak with them. When you're ready, press complete transfer to send the call over. If you prefer to transfer from your contact list, press the contacts option. Search for the contact, select it, then choose your transfer type, cold or attended, and that's it. Next, let's see how to park a call. Once you're on a call, select the park option from the call handler. Next, choose where you want to park the call. You will see a message confirming that your call has been parked. Press close and you'll return to the app. Finally, here's how to retrieve a parked call. If you or any other extension wants to pick up the parked call, go to Calls in the app. Next to Call History, select Park. You'll see the call that has been parked. All users who share the same parking are able to retrieve that call pressing pickup. That's how you transfer and park calls using the ConnectUC Mobile App. Hope you have a smooth experience. Thanks for watching and see you next time.